Meanwhile, a new study that looks at male and female immune responses to COVID-19 may shed some light as to why some men are more susceptible to becoming seriously ill. Now, from the early stage of the pandemic, it has been observed that men, particularly older men, are at a far greater risk of dying due to the coronavirus than women of a similar age. Scientists, however, have not yet been able to get to the root of this and figure out as to why this happens. A new study has now said that men account for nearly about 60% of deaths from COVID-19. And they looked at whether differences in immune responses could explain the science behind the data. Now, the study shows evidence that indicates gender differences do play a role in the clinical outcomes of the coronavirus. Research shows that male patients had higher plasma levels of innate immune cytokines. The cytokines are essentially a large group of proteins, peptides or glycoproteins that are secreted by specific cells of the immune system. The female patients mounted significantly more robust T-cell activation than male patients during the coronavirus infection. It has also been found that a poor T-cell response negatively correlates with patients' age and was associated with the worst disease outcome in male patients, but not in female patients. Conversely, higher innate immune cytokines in female patients associated with worse disease progression, but not in male patients. The analysis provides a basis for sex-based approach to the treatment of coronavirus.